Yo, what's up everybody and happy new year 2025. Hopefully this year gonna be
the prosperous year for all of you. All of your dreams come true. Lots of love, lots of healthy and success.
and at least it's not gonna be worse than previous year because all this also may happen, but hopefully not. Anyways, as you see, we are still in Poland, we're still alive, we still survive, and we are healthy and even happy. It's cold, but it's okay, there is still no snow. And yeah, I'm sorry last year I didn't appear so much on the videos. Maybe in this year will be improved and I will make more YouTube videos. Yeah?
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes. And hopefully all the business are going very well in this year. And yes.
I'll see you in Poland, perhaps. Last year, Patty visited us in Poland, so shout out to you, Rada. Maybe tomorrow, this year will be some other our friends and the viewers will visit us in Poland. So we are waiting here for you. If you're looking for hot weather coming, July will be very hot. Same like in Australia right now. That's actually true fact.
So to start our new year today, new days in 1st January 2025, we will have a lunch, dinner, kind of, in the one, our favorite restaurant, Vietnamese restaurant. So let's check this out.
Ale, how don't say you look like you are in Asia right now.
This is what I like about living in Poland, especially, you still find something that kind of your home.
This is like a bazaar during the day's time, but it's closed on the New Year Eve. But this lady opened the flower shop, so it's very bright and so much things going on during the, like tomorrow perhaps, tak?
Okay, let's go, kochanie, I'm already hungry.
But you have a nice hoodie, sayang. So, no? Okay, let's go.
Dzień dobry, kochanie. Vietnamese food. So we are in one of the Vietnamese restaurant, actually next to our apartment. Smacznego, kochanie. And starting a new year with a noodle will be like a long, healthy, prosperous year. That's the thing. And this is our place, and look at this full house. And I really like the decoration. This one is just like this one. It's very nice.
Hello, sayang. How you doing? What are you doing? Where you are?
We got our food today.
Tak? Nice. Smacznego. It's about 4. It's getting to be dark, tak? And the streets actually empty, but you can feel like a nice, actually cozy right now because generally speaking, today is for bank holiday, public holiday here in Poland. So most of people, I could say, still sleeping after yesterday's party. All right, let's go. The tram is going actually on the corner right now. Not every place around the world have a trams. Look at this. Small thing but make you happy. And some people already coming with the suitcase because tomorrow after long holidays finally people gonna back to business, back to working. That's good. Sayang, our apartment building have a Christmas tree, tak?
It's very nice, no?
Tak. So cool, huh? Well,
At least you pay expensive. They really provide you with a very nice things.
Let's go. Hey, Saya, what are you doing now?
So, after I got my barista course last year exactly, and then Damian bought me my coffee machine, and this one for the Christmas present, right?
Saya, for us as well, because I drink coffee the most.
Right.
But you can make it for me.
Right. So now I will make a cappuccino for Damian. And what is Damian and I biggest dream is that we want to open one coffee shop. So maybe for those of you who also thinking to invest, what you want to invest in Poland, because Poland also have a coffee culture. Yeah, so
Especially in Poznan.
Right. So we are happy to open a collaboration with you. Right?
Correct.
And we also thinking to open one coffee shop. Yes.
You forgot?
One coffee shop. Tak. So.
Also in Poland, opening business is way easier than in Bali, right?
And one thing you know, like because I've already got my permanent, oh not permanent, my residency card. So, you know, I can make business on my own under my name, and Damian also has his business already. So yeah, we are open for the collaboration, right?
Why not?
I'm making my espresso, and then after espresso, we will make the
Milk
milk
for cappuccino.
for the cappuccino.
Frank, why you make a barista course actually?
Because we plan to open a coffee shop.
So just want to have more skills than you have, tak?
Right. So making a coffee is not just making a Bali coffee, but with the professional one.
We can also make a Bali coffee in Poland, but sell it double price because it's Bali coffee.
Oh dear. Okay, it's ready.
Just be careful, Frank, tak?
So I warm the milk.
Frank. Do you like making coffee, Frank?
Okay.
So in Bali, you most of your life you were just teacher, tak?
Tak.
Now you are doing massage, making coffee. Jeez, who knows what else you're gonna learn in this year, huh?
Yes. And then, you know, I learned so many things since I moved to Poland and live here. There are so many opportunities that, you know, I could learn.
That's the most important thing, sayang. And we're gonna keep traveling as well this year, tak?
That's our resolution. Okay, so now I'll make the latte art.
Ooh. You don't need to make me latte art, sayang, as long as it's good cappuccino made with love and heart.
I know.
Latte art is just decoration.
I
sayang.
know.
You make it or not, doesn't really that matter, sayang.
I don't know what style I make now.
It's okay.
Haha. Cappuccino for you, Kahani.
Thank you, sayang.
And one more time, I wish you a happy new year. And thank you for being with us.
I think that's all our video today, guys. Just little bit our resolution in 2025.
Resolution.
Our wish and everything. So thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, Kahani. Or see you next time.
Any next time.
Bye.